Char. Hi, Banana. What's happening? Yeah, there's Charlotte. She wants to come see you. She's trying to be brave. She's trying to be brave. Wait. That's right. There's my pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty Charlotte, the dancing girl. Charlotte, the dancing girl. She is. Look at her dance. Want to dance? I do. How about, do you want to ask this guy over here? One dance? He's like, I don't know how to dance yet. Can you teach me? Hey, handsome. Hey, Banana. Yay. Oh, so handsome. You gonna hang out, watch each other for a while? And get used to each other? That sounds nice. That sounds really nice.